guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, this is Pembam and White Challenge here, and for today's video I will be showing you another beautiful setup for a balloon garland. The theme is gonna be unicorn for a birthday, and shout out to my cousin in Florida, Nanita. She requested this video. The sizes of these balloons is between 10 to 12 inches balloon and different color sizes, and we will put the color and sizes on the description down below, and please check that out. And there's no particular size on how to inflate your balloon because this is clusters of balloons. So inflate, and I usually make it round if you can. So tie this right here. So just like that, we got this one here, attach it together so it becomes 4. Put this on the side, and this one the same way. So now we have clusters of 4 balloon here and 4, and now you attach this together. So the end right here, grab one of your end and one of your end right here, so attach them together. Tie them together just like that, so your clusters of total 8 balloons. Alright guys, so we already attached them all in clusters of 8 balloons. So this time we will connect them together using our 20 pounds fishing line right here. So grab any of the balloons. So usually I grab the biggest balloon, put this on the bottom, but you could pick any. So attach this here. So just tie your fishing line right here and one of the cluster. Then you can start connecting them. So right here, I'll grab one of this. Set it right here. So the same thing, you want to shape of a figure 8. Just like that. So you can connect them anywhere you like. So any shape, okay? So we'll connect them. So now guys, I'm gonna stop for now. I'm gonna tie this here. So we're gonna cut our nylon or fishing line here. So this time, before we connect them all, this is just a starter on how you connect your garland, okay? Yeah, as you can see, it's loose. You can shape it anywhere. Put it down for now. So now we got this hooks right here. You can use this adhesive wool hooks, and you can get this in any store, and we will put the description on the link down below. You use this one so it's easily, you can get this off when you're done, and it's not gonna damage your wall. Okay. one here, just like that. So we will use our 260Q. We will put our 260Q here. So tie it right here so that will hold our balloon. So now we'll attach our garland right here. So put it right on here, like that, and you grab this, and then this is where you tie your balloon, so it'll stay in place. There. Like that, guys. So as you can see, you can rearrange this in places. If you don't like that shape, you can rearrange like that. Okay. Alright guys, so we got it right there. So we'll continue to add more clusters of balloons. So again, you use your fishing line. Not here, but on the existing clusters on the wall. Leave it like that for now, and then we can put our unicorn right here. So we'll put the unicorn, one of that is here. It's gonna be on here. So with that said, I'm gonna put 260Q right here, 260Q balloon right here. I will tie this with our 260Q balloon. So just go like that and then wrap this here. So we'll put this on here. Got our balloon right there, our foil balloon. So we can support. So right now that might be wobbly, but we'll fix it later. Then I'll add more clusters of balloon here, just so we have our. We can put our other unicorn in this side, on this side. Alright guys, so we're ready to attach this one here, and for this one we will attach this using our Uglu dashes, and it'll be right on here. So there's two unicorn, okay? There you go. So we will stabilize this as well. Alright Okay, so we'll add some 18 inches balloon here. We only have purple and pink, so we will use whatever we have. This is actually size 16 inches and 18 inches. We'll inflate our 5 inches balloon. Attach this right here. Just like that. Just like that. And then you use a 260Q. Tie on your quads right here. And then tie the other end. Just like that. Okay, so now it's time to attach our clusters of balloon, the 5 inches. So you can put this anywhere you like. So just like here, like that. And as I said, you can always turn this around and we'll finalize the shape later. Okay, for now we'll just leave it like that. So now we can add our big balloon right here. So I'll attach this here. So I'm gonna be using glue dash for this one. Some people, they attach it with one of the ends here, but it might move. So I'd like it to stay in one place. Alright guys, so last thing we're gonna do, we have another clusters of balloon here, clusters of 8. I put 260Q and I will just attach it on here to lead it through this side of the area. And there you go guys, it's finally done. This is our arrangement for our beautiful unicorn garland, and this is actually requested by my cousin in Florida, Lenita. Shout out to you, and hope you guys like this and you can follow this or make it more beautiful, and you can shape it as any shape you like, but this is one of an idea that you can follow. And guys, thank you for watching. Once again, this is Pemba NY, and if you're new to this channel and you're not subscribed as of yet, please do and give us a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in our next video. Hope you guys learned something today. Bye.